Hi there, welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I am going to unbox my Hobonichi 2024. This box arrived on my porch not quite a week ago, but I have not had a chance to look at it. You see it like this. This is how it came on my porch. Not very firm. I did take off the plastic from the top and I cut this so it would be easier to open. It was a shabby looking box, but that's okay. I usually save my boxes. I will not be saving this box, but no worries, it's not a big deal. I may order another order, and if I do, hopefully I'll get a better box then, but that's okay. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Again, I've already cut this part open. A calendar is filled with numbers, days that have passed and days still to come. It's funny, of all of them, the only one we are living is today. The only day we can reach out and touch is today. That is so cute. Okay. And let's see what we got. I got my free pens. I love the pens. Every year they'll include a pen. This one is a sagey color, almost like a mint, like a chocolate chip mint. Let's see. Okay. So very, very pretty. Very nice. So I got two of these. So we'll start with this. This is the Violet for 2024. Cover on cover. This is the A6. I love this cream. And I love the violet. And it has a back pocket here. And here is my English edition. Hobonichi 2024. Oh, how cute is this? Life is present. I love these little illustrations. Very, very cute. I got out my Hobonichi cousin, and it's brand new and fresh for the year. And these are tricky putting in. And there we go, very nice. So I chose to get the clear cover for this. So let's go ahead and slip that on. So nice. I love the smell of the plastic. It reminds me of when I was young and I'd get a new baby doll. It smells so good. So this is gonna be perfect. I love this. What is in here? I think I have an idea, but I didn't know until I saw someone else's video of what it was. Oh, how are you? They have these little bags, just a cute little bag. I don't know. Someone on their video I was watching, they suggested putting a little piece of cardboard at the bottom and you could use it for your pins. Okay, here is my other order. I got the Weeks, the Mega Weeks. This is called Poppin' Yellow, and I thought it was just so cheerful. I just had to get it. Here is the little pamphlet again. I chose a plain cover, a clear cover, to put over my Weeks. This is the pocket that goes with it. And here they are. These are kind of plain, but I'm going to decorate them. I don't know how, but when I do, I will come back and show you. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.